Peat, my man, 10 years old, worn down, tired, and growing cold. Pumps burned out every 3, no time accounting, just guessing me. No cycle, no counter, no one to name her. Blind faith running that pump chamber. If they was 50 bucks more down at that hardware store, wouldn't be singing this 100 grand song about a little pump running too long. It's a $50 lesson in a 100 grand hole. Water don't care, it'll take your soul. We came early, prepped it right, pulled that pump tanks dry overnight. Next morning full to top again, 5,000 gallons heavy rain. Truck so full the driveway cracked, mud and water pulling back. Down the line. Next day along, pump gone mad, 1,000 gallons, no water here. You think 50 bucks more down at that hardware store would've caught the leak before the dawn, before the water carried on. It's a $50 lesson in a 100 grand hole. Water don't quit till it takes control. Month or 2 later they come back home. That Atlantic tank head up and flown, floated right out that muddy ground. No anchors holding, no weighting down. Old Mr. Smith dug drains so deep to pull that water where it keeps. Driveway wash, 10 grand gone, 10 years leak kept rolling on. All that cost, all that pain could've stopped it with a simple chain. If they 50 bucks more down at that hardware store, they'd have seen a sign, save the pain, kept their money, held the rain. It's a $50 lesson, time after time, paying over and over for the same old crime. If your septic got a pumping line, take my word and spend that dime. My time is cheap, but wisdom's gold. Learn from this story that's now been told. It's a $50 part that saves your soul from a $100,000 hole.